Do you want to know how your body works? The body is a marvelous machine. A machine that uses millions of well-orchestrated physico-chemical reactions to keep us alive and healthy despite challenges such as heat and cold and even COVID. Here is an opportunity to get a glimpse of what science knows about health and disease and correlate it with ancient Indian wisdom, as well as with the emerging disciplines such as mind-body medicine and non-local medicine. Does that sound too complex? Our teacher, Ramesh Bijlani, will make it simple. He has done it in his courses on teaching yoga, which were an annual event till 2019, after which the COVID pandemic interrupted them. Ramesh Bijlani was the professor and head of the Department of Physiology at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, till 2005. Besides being a much admired teacher, he has written 2 highly acclaimed textbooks of physiology: Understanding Medical Physiology for medical students and teachers, and Fundamentals of Physiology for students of nursing and allied subjects. His popular books on the same subject, Our Body for 5-year-olds and The Human Machine for adults, both brought out by the National Book Trust, are bestsellers which continue to be in print more than 30 years after they were first published. Added to this, Professor Bijlani has taken keen interest in yoga and Ayurveda since 1992. He has found in ancient Indian wisdom what he hadn't in modern medicine. What does Professor Bijlani do now? He stays and works at Sri Aurobindo Ashram, Delhi branch, where he speaks, conducts spiritual retreats, and continues to write. To benefit from the wisdom of this rare combination, register for the online course YES.03, which starts on the 15th of September 2022. An added bonus, classes on the physical practices of yoga, that is asanas and pranayamas, the postures and breathing practices. The plan is that this module, together with the other modules in the series, would equip the students to not only practice the asanas and the pranayamas themselves, but would also equip them to teach others. The online course, YES.03, starts on the 15th of September 2022 and will go on till the 25th of November 2022. 1 class a day, 4 days a week. Am I eligible for joining YES.03? If I did not do YES.01 and YES.02? Yes, you are. The contents of each module are largely independent of each other. What happens if I miss a class? You can view the class recording on our YouTube channel. How much will YES.03 cost? Your time. That's all. Is the course really free? Yes, it is. But so are air and water. To register, please visit www.yesspirituality.wordpress.com or drop an email to yes@yesspirituality.com. Yes is a fledgling venture with big dreams inspired by the better world vision of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother, and has been triggered by the 150th birth anniversary of Sri Aurobindo. Joining the YES.03 course makes you a part of this venture, rather an adventure.